There is something significant buried here.
It has been lost for decades.
The corrosion is deep, but the steel is still solid underneath.
Time has frozen every moving part.
The chemicals will peel back the years.
We are finally seeing its true face.
Every tiny detail must be pristine.
Protection is key to preventing further decay.
The heartbeat of the machine is returning.
Now, it is ready to stand as history. Free.
Every small piece plays a role in the machine's legacy. The structure is regaining its original strength.
Combining wood and steel brings back its character.
The mechanical rhythm is exactly as it should be.
The restoration of the physical object is complete.
It belongs here, where its story can be told safely.
Names may be forgotten, but the history remains. It is no longer a tool of conflict.
It stands now as a silent witness to the past. Restored and remembered.
The Earth finally gave up its secret.
Small fragments tell a larger story. The work is finished, but the memory lingers.
Việc ghi chép lại quá trình giúp bảo tồn sự thật.
Not everything can be saved.
It looks different when the world is watching. Every mark is a record of its journey. The silence here is respectful.
A bridge between then and now.
My part in this story is over.
Nature always tries to bury the evidence of man.
It was pure chance that I found it here.
There are always more pieces to the puzzle.
To restore the object, one must first understand the mind that built it.
Even a single grain of sand can halt the movement. Patience is the most important tool in this shop.
We strip away the decay to find the soul.
Maintenance ensures the story never fades again. the next generation begins to learn.
From the mud to the light.
This finish will protect it for another century.
The internal paths are finally clear of debris.
Friction is the enemy of any machine.
Everything must return to its proper place.
The weight feels different now that it is whole.
You see an artifact, not just a piece of iron.
Let the earth rest now.
Story lives on elsewhere. What in
The workshop feels quiet now that the machine is gone.
Some fragments are too damaged to return, but too important to throw away.
Cleaning the tools is as vital as the restoration itself.
It looks as though it never spent a day in the dirt.
The words on the plaque are only a fraction of what this steel knows.
There are other things waiting to be found and fixed.
Every object deserves a second chance at life.
The Earth still holds many things we have forgotten. The cycle begins again. The ground still has much to yield.
Order is the foundation of good work.
Accuracy prevents waste. The workshop is a living thing.
Every object carries the weight of its own time.
Preservation is a constant vigil.
Even the smallest screw must be right.
The wood breathes again.
History doesn't reveal itself all at once.
Until the next find.
It is hard to believe it was once just a lump of orange earth.
The machine is silent, but its presence is louder than ever.
I have done my part to keep the memory alive.
History doesn't belong to the ground anymore.
Restored, remembered, and never forgotten.